In my reference in person here in real life, there's a lot of yellow in the orange. So one of the ways that I like to give the eye the indication that this thing is orange, but still let it go toward yellow at the highlight and in the lightest light area, is to put an extra hint of orange around the outside edge. And I'm even gonna go a little bit toward red with some of this. And that just gives the eye some information that this is an orange thing and it's just becoming yellow toward those highlights. Using pure white as a highlight can get a little dicey because it can start to look like polka dots or a mistake or something. So I recommend that you begin with just a small amount of any kind of pure white and then kind of step back and give it a minute to let your eyes adjust and decide if it looks right. I'm going to spread a few more bits of highlight out here, but one of the rules that I go by is that there needs to be a hierarchy among these highlights, so they can't all be equally as bright and crisp. Some of them have to get toned down. So now that I have those on there, I'm going to dip back into a yellowish color. And just kind of drag it over the top. That way they're toned down and really only the ones in the center are left as the brightest. I want to warm up this shadow a little bit more. I'm also restating the terminator. I find that I go back and forth as I'm working between softening the terminator and restating it, softening it again and restating it again. It can be difficult to find a balance between a clear edge and a soft edge on these shadows. One of the reasons that I hold my brush this way, with my hand over the top of the brush instead of holding it like a pen, is that it helps me put less pressure on the end of the brush. And that helps the paint sit on top instead of just pushing the paint around. Now in my reference, there's actually another orange here that's blocking some light on this side of the orange. And I'm trying to get rid of that effect just a little bit. There's a shadow in the reference on the orange here, and I'm just trying to minimize the effect of that cast shadow onto this orange. And just allow the light to kind of wrap around the bottom of the orange a little bit.